Yeah, hi everybody. This is Mr. Beck, just recording this video for you guys. Let's see here. This video will probably be available the 1st of May, but in a moment I'm going to be going over the work for the week of April 27th. Real quick announcements here. First of all, with regards to just kind of things going on, make sure you're checking Google Classroom and your email every day. Okay, there's a lot of new assignments coming out weekly, so make sure you're checking that. Also, make sure you're actually making the best effort on assignments and getting them submitted to me. I really have not been getting a ton of work. Okay, so real quick here, just a brief synopsis on assignments for this week. One of the first ones that you guys had is basically, it's called the Mongol Horde in Battle. And really all this is, and I'll hold this up for you, but I believe you guys will probably see it in reverse when you see it. But it's just basically an article, okay? It's an article entitled The Mongol Horde in Battle. And what you need to do, guys, is you need to read through the directions, read those in detail, and also read the article. And really the main thing that you're going to do is summarize the article. Your summary should be about 5 to 8 sentences long. Okay, very similar to things that we would have done in class. And you could email that to me or submit it through Google Classroom. Okay, so it's a pretty interesting article. The Mongols were kind of like a very intense and controlling dynasty. They actually conquered China and much of Eastern Europe. So they conquered a huge area, even larger than the Romans did. So you can read about that. You can read about that in our first assignment, and it's got a lot of history and geography in there. The next thing I'm going to have you do, this is actually a review for all my students. This is on the 5 themes of geography, and if I'm not mistaken, we have actually done this particular assignment in class before, but it's right out of your workbook. Okay. This is on the 5 themes of geography, and you should kind of remember those with the Mr. Help code word that I wrote on the board. And as I said, a lot of you will be familiar and will remember this because I'm trying to do work and assign work that for you guys is a little bit of remediation and review, which means things that we've covered before, but also some new things that you may not know. Okay. So that's why the reason for the workbook page, and it's in a PDF document. So like I said, either submit it to me through Google Classroom if you're able to do that on the website, or you could just email me your answers and that'd be fine. Lastly, today you have this assignment. It's actually 2 handouts. One handout is a map of Africa, and the other handout is actually questions on that map. So what you will do, as we did in class a number of times, you will actually use the map to answer all the questions. Make sure that you are reading the questions in the map for detail. And this says this in the directions, but also remember, when you're looking at the map, if you look to the north, okay, or the top of your paper, that would be the north. The bottom of your table or your paper would be the south, and of course your left margin or your left would be east, and your right would be west. So that should help you with the directions. They're not really super hard questions, but just do your absolute best, and that would be awesome, and get that submitted to me. I hope everybody's doing well and staying healthy, and I miss seeing you guys, and like I said, hope to see you at those weekly Zoom meetings that we have every Wednesday at 11 o'clock, okay? So you guys all take care and stay healthy, and hope to see you soon on the Zoom meetings.